Baby, back home, man. Baby, back home. Hoping we're gonna get this one up out of here really soon. Go ahead and start putting it back together. I know every time I see it, I gotta touch it, feel it. I know this car so well. But that's not my car, this is my car. And I'm hoping that today we're gonna be able to drop that motor in there. This started off as a 1995 C1500 motor out of a Chevy truck. It's had a lot of work done to it. It has been turned into a 383 stroker with an 11-to-1 compression. So from what I've been told, that's supposed to be a pretty good motor. Supposed to have a lot of power inside of what and all the internal work. You know, it's not like you're gonna be able to see all the work that we put into it. The crank, all the pistons, rods, everything you could think of has been replaced on this motor. So, yep, we gotta go ahead and get ready to put it up in here in the 86. I've been cleaning off the glass a little bit. As y'all can see, I ain't had no tags on this thing in a very long time. That lets you know how long I've had this car. Time to get it all cleaned back up. Get all the overspray off the windows. Most of that's gonna be covered up. But what you gonna see gonna look damn good. It was a flaw down there at the bottom. Right there. It's the only one. I'm sorry. I'm masking everything so I can really see what I truly got. I was hoping to get a little bit more sunlight today, but I got out here and we set up that motor, the engine hoist and everything. Time just ran out, so we do have the engine hoist, as y'all see. Y'all gonna see that we was unloading and everything. As of right now, I don't know what the footage looks like, but I'm hoping it looks good. But this is where we at. I need to get the bigger lift. As y'all can see, that's bigger than the one I have. The legs are longer, a lot longer. And for me to be doing the size motors I'm doing, I think that one's good for like my little VTEC and Honda motors that I'll be fooling with. But this one right here, we need it for the bigger motors and stuff that I'll be mostly dealing with, because most of the cars and stuff that I deal with are V8 motors as of right now, because we haven't got another Acura. Or I started looking at some Lexuses. I want something vintage. I don't know what's gonna be next. I was possibly considering the S10, but we're gonna do one car at a time. The Monte Carlo right now is about to get this motor and transmission, but I have one question for everybody that's tuned into my YouTube channel, man. What color should I paint it? I know I said I was gonna do plum, but after seeing this car, it almost made me be like, I still wanna do plum, but I wanna do something a little bit darker. But this color is so beautiful. But man, I need y'all to get in the comments. I need some help. I really do. What colors y'all think I should consider? It has to be something that's a metallic, so I'll be going for something with a sparkle. I consider gloss black, silver. I don't know. Y'all get in the comments. Y'all let me know what y'all think, because the Monte Carlo only came in like 4 or 5 colors originally. It was a plum, a silver, a black, a white, and I believe a blue. but the blue ones only was like in so many years. Every one was a certain year, right? So, long story made short, the customer came in, he's loving the paint. We did see some flaws, but man, he was like, Blaze, man, just the energy was just changed in the room when he seen this paint. So I want to show y'all why he fell in love with it. But before that, I want to go ahead and unmask everything and really get a good visual. So y'all just stay tuned, man. And we gotta pick a color for the Monte Carlo, because as y'all can see, I can turn some paint real quick if I want to when I get in the mood. But y'all just stay tuned, man. It's in there, people. It is in there. Y'all see that? We just got to torque them down. Whew. Long time in the coming, man. Long time in the coming. And I wound up taking the wrong transmission mount. I got to ask if it's going to be okay without the transmission mount for a little while. Or I may just have to buy another one and powder coat it and do it like that. That's probably how that's going to go. But it's in the car. It's in the car, man. Yeah, you seen that? And a couple of scratches on there? Just wasn't prepped good. Or the tape might have stayed on there too long. Just sand it back down, mask everything. Yep. Yep.
Yep. And that got in pretty quick.
Huh?
It got in there pretty quick.
Was that on this? Yeah. What you would say? About 45 minutes, an hour?
Yeah, I think it took us longer to get that one cross member off than
Yeah.
everything else.
Yeah, that cross member was giving us a hard time. I got the bolts. We gotta get the bolts. It didn't have all 4 bolts, only 2. So I'm definitely gonna put 4 in there. As y'all can see, it's just the ones in the front. It seemed like the only ones that was on there. So yeah, man, I know the fan is blowing. It's so hot up in the shop. We gotta keep the fan going. Ain't doing no blowing hot air, but we're finna go see if we can find the bolt to make that dipstick fit. I think he said he found it. It's a metric, I think he was saying.
Supposedly it's an M8 by 125.
M8 by 125. So, man, I don't never go to Lowe's, man. I think Ace gonna have better options. I'm more of an Ace hardware guy.
They sponsor me for a project one time.
Oh, okay. Hey, they didn't spend money with you. We gonna spend some money with them. You hear me? So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. All right, so we got a few small problems with this setup right now. This is gonna be very close to this power steering. I'm talking about, if y'all can see, it's not even, the belt can't even go on the motor. It's so tight. And then we went on the bottom. The 700R is not fitting under the car like how I should. I'm trying to not really get up under here. But I'll get under here so y'all can kind of see what I'm talking about. It's just a temporary mock-up with the transmission mount. Right now it's not going. So I know this hose right here, this hose or whatever it goes, mounts right here, that bolt to hold it up for the transmission. But yeah, that's it looks pretty clean up under here. I know my floorboards ain't rusted out, so I'm happy about that. I mean, I take all the little small wins with the winds. I take all the small wins, man, however they come. It's all a big win at this point in time, just having the motor and transmission in, so we definitely are not getting rid of the power steering. So I'm gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do with this transmission. Then that's gonna bring on a drive shaft issue. Hopefully the drive shaft that I have will work. Hopefully, I'm not sure. So it looked like we may be able to take as far as I can take it with my mechanical experience. Now I might need some more help. So let's see. I'm gonna talk to my OG, see what he tell me. We're gonna holler at OG Lee Perez. But we got this transmission up under here. It's just temporary mounted, just so I can get my jack from up under here. But everything is in here, man. Oh. Help is all in here. That hasn't been torqued down yet. We're gonna torque those down probably Wednesday or so. I told you, that's crazy how close that is right there. My partner was telling me that this is how they was gonna go SS Monk. I gotta see what he wound up doing to make that work, or did he just rock it like that? So y'all stay tuned, man. It's always gonna be a problem, but it's always a solution. We're gonna figure it out. Y'all gotta stay tuned though.